Not a video.
Babe. Babe.
Okay, so we don't know what we're gonna do. Okay.
Did you record that? What I just said?
Yeah.
Bitch.
So what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
See? Let's go outside. Let's cool it.
Okay, so
clappers. Snack me that.
that hurts very, very much. Okay, so I had some of these. They were so good. I'm telling you.
And I had some of these bitches right here. These bitches, them ugly, crusty bitches. Them shits is good, son.
She ate it all.
2 bags on them bitches.
So
Good
did
as
I.
fuck.
Let me see that bag.
And they expired March 24th,
And she ate
2012.
all of this too. Badass. Okay, so I have a, how should I say, fake boyfriend, but he's real, which is weird, right?
Mm-hmm.
Told you he was real, but he's not really my boyfriend.
You a lie.
He's not really my boyfriend.
Okay. She's not lying.
He's not my boyfriend. I was playing around with him, and then he called me sexy. Called me smexy. So, okay, so, bye. Say bye.